Today, 25 colleagues share 25 things you should know about where we came from.
And where we are going.
First of all, who is Sarah Cannon? Sarah Cannon is the real name of the Grand Ole Opry star Minnie Pearl. Our team helped her fight cancer, so she gave us her name to promote cancer research and care.
Now let's talk about what we did with it. Our story began in 1993 with two academic researchers
who started the first community-based research program outside of a university. No one thought it could work.
But we knew with most patients treated in the community, expanding access to clinical trials was critical.
Taking it one step further, Dr. Skip Burris joined the ranks to pioneer the first community-based Phase 1 drug development program in the world.
We did this because patients need access to the latest treatments without needing to travel far from home.
Fast forward to 2009, when we went international.
We set up the first clinical trials program for patients outside the NHS and are one of the largest providers of clinical next-generation sequencing in the UK, the latter being done in our own ISO-accredited laboratory.
In 2012, we became the Cancer Institute of HCA Healthcare.
Together, we help more than 120,000 people diagnosed with cancer each year throughout our network.
In more than 10 regions across the US and UK and counting.
We have programs in nearly 100 hospitals.
With hundreds of physicians conducting Sarah Cannon's research.
We've grown to thousands of colleagues across the company.
70% are female.
60% are millennials.
And 100% of us are driven by our mission.
Today we have conducted more than 300 first-in-human clinical trials.
In fact, we've been a leader in the vast majority of approved cancer therapies over the last decade.
Each year, we study more than 200 potential therapies across our sites.
And enroll more than 3,000 patients on clinical trials across our network.
We've grown to not only offer clinical research, but also address the entire continuum of care.
We are one of the largest providers of radiation oncology services,
with 50 facilities across the U.S.
And we're one of the leading providers of hematopoietic cell transplants in the world, performing transplant therapies for more than 1,200 patients each year.
Hematopoietic?
Hematopoietic cell transplants are blood and marrow transplants, but really there's so much more.
That's 14,000 transplants since we first started.
Today we have more than 200 oncology nurse navigators helping patients through every step of their cancer journey.
We continue to be a leader in the industry by delivering novel therapies and redefining the standard for cancer care.
Are you telling me that's it?
Not even close.
Are you kidding?
We just got here.
Seriously?
Heck no, we're just getting started.